If you've ever opened a Figma file and realized the font needs to be changed everywhere, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change or replace all fonts in Figma quickly using a simple plugin workflow that can save you a ton of time. Instead of editing text layers one by one, you'll be able to swap fonts across an entire document, a single page, or just a selected group of layers in only a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy design guides like this. Alright, let's jump into Figma. The first thing you need to do is open your Figma file. Once your design is loaded, take a look at the bottom toolbar and find the Actions menu. This is where Figma keeps helpful commands, plugins, and quick tools that can speed up your workflow. Click on Actions, then go to the Plugins section. From there, you can search for a font replacement plugin. A popular option is a tool like Font Replacer. Type the plugin name into the search bar, then run it once it appears. If you've never used it before, Figma may ask you to install or allow the plugin first. Go ahead and approve that so you can continue. Once the plugin opens, the next step is choosing your scope. This part is important because it tells the tool exactly where to look for fonts. You can usually choose the entire document, which scans every page in the file. You can also choose the current page if you only want to change fonts on the artboard you're working on. And if you only want to update a few objects, you can select specific layers before running the plugin and limit the replacement to that selection. After that, look for the old font you want to swap out. This is the font that is currently being used in your design. Select it from the list or type it in, depending on how the plugin is set up. Then choose your replacement font family. This should be the new font you want to use across your file, whether that's a cleaner sans serif, a more modern typeface, or a brand-specific font that matches your visual style. Before you click Replace, take a moment to double-check your choices. Make sure the old font is correct, make sure the new font is available in Figma, and make sure your scope is set properly. This helps prevent accidental changes in places you didn't mean to edit. Now click Replace or Swap. The plugin will instantly update all matched text layers, which means every instance of the old font in your chosen scope will be changed to the new one. If your file contains a lot of text, this can save you a huge amount of manual work and keep your typography consistent in seconds. After the swap, review your design carefully. Even when the font changes successfully, different typefaces can have slightly different spacing, line breaks, and visual weight. So take a few seconds to scan your headings, body text, buttons, and labels to make sure everything still looks balanced and readable. If needed, you can make small adjustments to size, line height, or letter spacing to polish the final result. And that's it. You've now learned how to change or replace all fonts in Figma using a plugin, whether you want to update an entire document or just a specific selection. It's one of the fastest ways to clean up a design system or apply a brand refresh without starting over. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.